We are kitty natty. We do not purr while training.
Right. No purring, no giggling. Super. Drew, look at me! What is he doing?
He has been weakened by the power of the feather. What news of the forest?
The girl named True is working to solve a problem involving water. True? My True? Isn't she great? Water! I'm wet! I'm wet everywhere!
Bartleby! Hang on!
Some wishes, right?
Of course.
But I'm coming with you.
Bartleby, we must remind you, if you leave this dojo, you cannot return.
I know, but I have to help my friend.